Ladies and gentlemen, romantic city Paris, the enchanting capital of France, stands as an iconic symbol of art, romance, and timeless elegance. Nestled along the banks of the Seine River, this city effortlessly combines rich history with modern flair, creating an irresistible allure for visitors from around the globe. The city's architectural marvels, such as the majestic Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum, paint a vivid picture of its storied past. Each cobblestone street and charming neighborhood tells a tale of revolutions, artistic movements, and cultural evolution. Strolling through the historic districts like Le Marais or Montmartre, one can feel the echoes of the past mingling with the vibrant energy of the present. Paris is a haven for art enthusiasts, boasting world-class museums and galleries. The Louvre, home to the enigmatic Mona Lisa, showcases an unparalleled collection of masterpieces spanning centuries. The Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former railway station, is a treasure trove of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces, while the Centre Pompidou's modern architecture houses a diverse range of contemporary art. Beyond its artistic riches, Paris is celebrated for its culinary delights. Sidewalk cafes, patisseries, and bistros beckon with tantalizing aromas and exquisite flavors. Indulge in a leisurely afternoon, sipping coffee at a street-side cafe, or savor a gourmet meal in a Michelin-starred restaurant. The culinary experiences are as diverse as the city itself. The Seine River, flowing gracefully through the heart of Paris, adds a poetic touch to the cityscape. Take a romantic boat cruise along its waters to witness the city's landmarks illuminated at night, creating a magical atmosphere that captures the essence of Parisian romance. In Paris, fashion is not just a trend, it's a way of life. The city's prestigious boutiques, haute couture houses, and stylish locals contribute to its status as a global fashion capital. Whether wandering through the fashionable avenues of the Champs-Élysées or exploring the artistic and bohemian ambiance of Saint-Germain-des-Prés, Paris effortlessly blends sophistication with a relaxed, artistic vibe. Paris is not just a destination, it's an experience that tantalizes the senses, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those fortunate enough to wander its streets. With its timeless charm, cultural richness, and romantic ambiance, Paris remains an everlasting source of inspiration, and a city that captivates the imagination of all who visit.